In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Workspace payment plan to annual. We'll walk through the exact path in the Google Admin Console, explain what each screen means, and make sure you understand what you're agreeing to before you confirm the switch. This is perfect if you're ready to lock in an annual commitment for budget stability or to take advantage of annual pricing. Start by signing in to the Google Admin Console with an account that has billing privileges, ideally a super admin or billing admin. You need to be in the correct admin account for the organization whose workspace subscription you want to change. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the billing section. Open billing, then choose your Google Workspace subscription from the list. If you manage multiple additions or add-ons, be sure you're selecting the main workspace subscription you want to move to annual terms. Next, open the subscription details. Depending on your interface, you'll either see a button or link labeled Subscription or Manage Subscription. Both take you to the same place, the detailed view where plan settings live. Don't worry if the layout looks a little different. Google occasionally updates the design, but the options we need are the same. Within the subscription details, find the area related to your plan. It may be called Payment Plan, Billing Plan, or Switch Plan. This is where you change how you're billed. Choose the annual plan. In some interfaces, it's labeled Fixed Term Plan, which means the same thing. You're committing to a set term, typically 1 year, rather than paying month to month with full flexibility. Before you proceed, take a moment to review the pricing and terms. Google will show you the cost per user, the renewal date for your annual term, and key contract details. Read these carefully to confirm the commitment length and how seat counts are handled. If you recently changed licenses, you may see prorated adjustments. Make sure the numbers match your expectations and that the renewal date aligns with your financial calendar. When everything looks right, confirm the change. Click Confirm or Switch Plan to finalize. The system will update your billing plan, and you should see a confirmation message indicating the switch was successful. It can help to refresh the subscription page to verify the plan now shows as annual, and consider noting the renewal date so you're prepared for next year. That's it. You've moved your Google Workspace subscription to an annual plan. If your interface differs slightly, follow the same path. Billing, open the subscription, locate the plan section, choose annual or fixed term, review and confirm. Thanks for watching.